I made a little under $5,000 using 2 strategies at the same exact time. I was able to use the IFVG and the ORB strategy for one trade and catch $5,000. And you're gonna want to stay tuned.
This one inverses here, we break back into ORB. So we gotta see if it does that or not. If not, it'll just be a break and retest of ORB and continue going up. But if this can inverse here and print back in ORB, then we'd want just a fucking full-on meltdown. But let's see if it gives it to us or not. This fib's already worthless. Our next fib that we put on is at 10 a.m. We're gonna put a fib on this hour candle. Let's see if we inverse here or not. Fingers on the trigger. I'm in on that. I'm in the sell, boys. I'm in the sell. We ended up inversing and printing inside, but we popped out pretty aggressive. Fingers are on the trigger. We're gonna be exiting if it comes back to this high. Let's see if it does it or not. That pop out of ORB is pretty bad. This candle got aggressive the first 30 seconds. Stops right at the high, guys. I'm close to getting out. I'm hovering. If we go back to entry, I'm scaling in more. I'm in pretty light. I'm playing with micros right now. I'm scaling another one. We'd want to see a fucking melt through at least previous day 50. Let's see if we can continue here. This is looking good. TP1 would be midline. TP2 bottom side orb. TP3 flush through true day open at the bottom. RR is there for us, guys. RR is there. 1 to 8. Let's see if we eat all of these aggressive as fuck, bro. If we bounce off the ready made, it's gonna be a problem. We need a continuation candle on the next candle. That's what we need here. It's another area of interest here. This is the EMA I have on trade of 8. We're at the EMA right now. Remember, at 100 ticks, you guys can always take profit. We're rolling right now. If we break and retest through midline, I'm scaling more. At 100 ticks, guys. Good TP if you want. Midline's first area of interest. Yo, does anyone know what is a breakaway gap? Can someone explain it to me? I've been seeing it a lot. Is this a breakaway gap? Is this like the closed out? Good TP. Good TP. It's a good TP. It's a good TP there. We do want force to pick up here. If not, I'm gonna get out as well. Close out as well. Good TP. I might scale out 1. Scaling out a 1 here. This is TP1. We want to see a break through the midline. That's what we want to see here. Currently rolling. 200 ticks is another TP, just based off money. Next area of interest, bottom side orb. 200 ticks, boys. Good area of interest here. My TP2 is here. TP3 true day. My TP3 is true day. It's the move we were looking for here. It's crazy that it didn't even give a pullback for re-entry or nothing. I wanted to scale more, but it just kind of got aggressive. I feel like the pullback's going to be nuts. I don't want to deal with that. I might even scale another one here. I scaled another one. I'm leaving 5 micros. Leaving 5 micros here to run. To be honest with what happened, 250 from passing to 150k, but I'm done for the day. I banned myself from Wednesday trading, Thursdays a day. Second I got out, it flushed. I have no pullback to get in. I'm sniped. Yeah, I'm live, guys. We're live. When I jump, you should jump. I let you know what I want to see before it happens. When it happens, you should already be clicking the button before I even click the button, to be honest. And even on this up move, there was way more possibilities for entries. I really should have scaled in way heavier because the RR was just there. Like off this up move, you scale. Bro, you're risking, at the end of the day, entry goes even higher. You're risking way less. And then just off this little move to midline, you're at big bread. Get it sexy. To TP2 here, bitch. Come on. Stop fucking around. Pullback could definitely happen here. It's just clean movement though. Very clean price action. Pullback could be aggressive as fuck though, I'm not gonna lie. I would hate to give back so much cheese. I could see it pull back to at least this, which is like 100 ticks. It's like half the play. I'd potentially scale in if it does some shit like that, and then we'd catch the move going down. The rest of the move, but it could definitely do like a little 1 candle boom up. I'd prefer not to, but whatever. They're runners at the end of the day. Problem is I want to put a stop loss right here. Look, let me place it for you. I'd want to put a stop loss right here, but I can see this area get hit as well. I'd prefer to put it up here, and here's where it's kind of safer, but I'd be giving back way too much. But I mean, they're runners, whatever. I'll just put it up here. This is where I think stops should be safe. If it breaks this, it goes to the highs. At the end of the day, they're runners. I already secured over $1,000 per account. So I'll leave the runners, but I would like to see it respect something over here. There's our aggressive ass candle we were talking about. That could happen. End of the day, they're micros, so I'm only giving back fucking $200-300 with that up move, which isn't bad. If I see signs of reversal, then I scale more. But so far, this is healthy. It looks aggressive. This looks like an aggressive candle, but it's a healthy pullback for the move we just had. So my stop that would have been here would have got stopped out already. I feel like this is a safe stop loss. If it breaks this, then it continues going bullish. So we gotta just keep eyes on it. This would be the ideal safe stop loss. But this candle was mean. I had a feeling this candle was gonna happen. Big ass 120 tick candle. Good is sexy. Looks like we might get taken out. Them runners might get taken out. Boop. Runner took out. Runner is taken out. Runner just got taken out. Was able to scale 50% of the over 65% of the position here. Solid trade.